In this video I want to show you how you can use Microsoft Word to reference information from journals, from books and from websites. The principles are all the same, so I'm really only going to show you the website referencing method at this stage, and the other ones we'll discuss in class. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open up Microsoft Word and look now at the tabs that exist on top of Microsoft Word. You have Home, Insert, Page Layout, References. Now references is the one thing that we're going to be looking at today. So first off we click the button References, and you have to make sure that you are using Microsoft Word 2007, not 2003. It's very important. 2007 has the References tab, but 2003 does not. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is add a source from a website. So what we do is we press Manage Sources, and this window will pop up. Now you can see I've got one in here already. What I'm going to do now is add a new source. Alright, now I always like to show all the bibliography fields because sometimes you need to add extra information. Now today I'm going to add information from a website. So, as you can see here, we've got book, book section, journal article, article in a periodical, conference proceedings, report, website, document from website, electronic source. That could be like a video or an audio. We've got a sound recording too if you need that, art, performance, film, interview, many different things here. So we're going to use website. Okay. Alright, so let's pull up now a website. I've found an article about medical tourism from the New York Times. Okay, and it's got these authors here. It's an opinion article by 3 doctors. So, let's go and see what information we need to add. Okay, first of all we have to add the authors. Okay, so we're going to go back to the website. Who were the authors? And I'm just going to copy and paste those from the website. Okay, so copy, and let's put them into Microsoft Word. Okay, now this is not correct. You can see from the example below we have to use last name, comma, name, no dot for initial, and then whatever the initial is, separated by semicolons. So Milstein has to go first. Milstein Arnold. Okay. Semicolon. I can take that out now. Smith Mark D. Take that out. And semicolon. And Cassera. I need to make sure I put a space between the colon. Jerome P. Okay, now that is correct. Take that out, and we now have a proper title there. Now what's the name of the web page? Okay, so Overseas Under the Knife. That's what it's called. Overseas Under the Knife is the name of our article. So we go back to Microsoft Word. Right. What's the name of the website? Well, the website is the New York Times. Okay. Editor, we don't need to worry about. Producer name, production company, no. When was this article written? It was written on June 9, 2009. So let's go back to Word. 2009. June 9. When was it accessed? Well, it's accessed today, which is the 26th of February 2010. February 26th. Now I need to enter the URL. So we go here, copy the URL, go back to Microsoft Word, paste it in, and we are done. Okay, so we now have a properly formatted APA title list. Now there is one mistake. As you can see here, we have capital O, capital U, and capital K. Actually, in APA citing, we don't use capitals in the title unless they are proper nouns. So I'm going to go now and edit this. So overseas will become lowercase u. Knife will become lowercase k. Okay? The exception is if the word begins the line, or if you have a colon, then you'll put a capital U. A colon or a semicolon, then there would be a capital U, or if there was a full stop. But you do not put capitals after commas. Okay, so that's fixed. Do you want to update it? Yes, I do. Okay, let's close it. Alright, now there's two ways that we can do things. I want to look at this part of what the person has written. So these authors have said one consequence of the high cost of medical care has been the high cost and the rise of medical tourism. Let's just copy that over, and we're going to fix it up so we're not plagiarizing. So this is from our article. There's the original string. Now, what we can do, if we use the according to string, according to the US medical doctors, and what are their names? Let's go back. We can copy that and paste that in. Let's just get rid of all the formatting so it looks neat. So go back to home. Okay. These need to be title case, not capitalize. This needs to be title case. Lowercase first, then capitalize. Okay. Arnold Milstein, Mark D. Smith, and Jerome P. Kesser. Medical tourism has risen in part, which means one reason, because of the high cost of medical care. Now, we need to show this, we need to show a proper citation here. So what we're going to do here is put in an in-text citation. So you can see, according to the US medical doctors, we've named who they are. Let's put our cursor after Cassira, give a space, go to references, and we are going to insert a citation. And now, as you can see, here is the citation. Click that. Okay, now as you can see, we've named the doctors Milstein, Smith, and Cassira. So in our citation, we don't need to say their names again. So what we can do now is we click, or we highlight the citation, and we click Edit Citation. Now we can remove the author and the title. Okay, and we are left with the year. So when we cite the sources, we need to show where we got them from. That's the first method, if we name the authors directly. Another way we can do it is like this. Medical tourism has become popular partly because of the high cost of medical care in the United States. Okay, now what we have to do here is say where we got this information from. Again, citation, put in their names, and before you can see we did not name the authors, so we put all of the information in there, and then finish. So we have in-text citations in two ways. One, when we have directly named the source, we only need to show the year, and when we did not directly name the source in the text, we show it in the citation. Now let's just say that we have written our essay, and we want to put in our reference list. Easy. Click bibliography, click words cited, and there you are. No mess, no fuss, no bothers. You've got your complete APA formatted reference list there.